Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix form submitting and hosting your website builder at 2026. So the forms fail to submit when required files are missing, email or integration are misconfigured, browser and extensions actually blocks the scripts. So to fix the issue you'll need us first to check required fields, and most form submission issues are caused by unfilled required fields. So you'll need to first open the website builder, and to do that you will need to just click on the website's option on the left hand menu, and then just go with that actual website and click on edit website next to it, and then you will be forwarded into the website builder. And here all you need to do is scroll down on the left hand menu or bar and just click on more here, and after that you will find an option, it says form submissions. Okay, so just click it, and here where you can find the form. Okay, so you'll need to make sure that every required field is properly labeled, default value or placeholder removed if necessary, and then just test the form. And even hidden required fields can block submission. Okay, so you will need to check. Also, you will need to verify the email and integration settings. So forms must know where to send submissions. So you will need to go to the form submissions on your website. So you will need to locate it, and then you will need just to click it. So let me say an example with that one. You will need just to click it, click on three dots right here, and then you will find an option on your form here. It says form settings. So just click it and then go with email notifications and check right there the correct recipient email, and email domain matches your website domain. Avoid Gmail or Yahoo if possible. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.